Ready to purchase a home and wondering what to expect when applying for a mortgage? Let us help. As you navigate the home buying process, it's important to understand the steps as well as the terms used by mortgage lenders, which include pre-qualification and pre-approval. The process can vary depending on your unique situation. However, here's what you will need to get started. First off, you'll want to figure out if you are financially ready to buy a home. This means taking a look at your finances, figuring out your budget, and making sure you can balance mortgage payments with other day-to-day expenses and your savings goals. Home ownership requires expenses beyond your mortgage and property taxes, and creating a budget before you purchase your new home is a smart idea. Get started by identifying monthly and seasonal payments, as well as some long-range maintenance costs associated with the home you want to buy. You'll also want to know your credit score. If you've ever obtained a mortgage, car loan, or credit card, it's likely your credit history and personal credit score have been checked in order for you to receive that loan or credit. Understanding your credit score and taking steps to improve it can help you maintain a healthy financial outlook. Gather all documentation to show your basic debt, income, and assets. You're now ready to assemble a team to purchase your home. As you assemble a team to help you find your perfect home, your CIBC advisor can guide you through the process, help you understand mortgage options, and determine how much you can qualify for to help you determine your budget. At this stage, you can secure a mortgage pre-approval. It will be subject to certain conditions, but it lets you shop for a house knowing roughly how much you qualify to borrow and what your mortgage payments would be. From there, a realtor can help you find the perfect home within your shopping budget. Made an offer within your pre-approved range? Contact your CIBC advisor who will work with you to secure a mortgage approval for the property you wish to buy. Once the offer is accepted, connect with us as you may have to provide additional documents related to your income and property at this stage. Find out which lending option works for your financial needs and goals, whether you are buying or refinancing. Once we have obtained a property valuation and the documents are submitted, you will hear back shortly on whether the mortgage has been approved. Finally, on the closing day, your lawyer or notary will ensure the balance of the purchase price is transferred to the seller's lawyer. Congratulations, and welcome to your new home. For a comprehensive overview to buying a home, please be sure to download our Home Buyer's Guide. Let's get started together. Our mortgage advisors are here to help guide you and answer any questions you have.